So hi everyone, my name is Afra. Today we're going to learn about this one question about the pop-up. So pop-up, basically a message box. We already did this for the ones that watched my video. We did this a long time ago. So guys, this is easy for you, right? So first of all, what we're going to do. So anyways, we're going to explain the code for the ones that don't know. Importing the STK, this is all right. For the ones that know, that's easy for you. What that means? From think to report message box. So what's a message box? Message box is like. Let me show you here. Message box in thing there. Here. Yeah, so this is what a message box is, right? So that's how a message box looks like. Anyways, we'll get onto the function later, which is over here. We'll get onto that. Now the button. TK.button, text equals to click, command equals to pop. The button, it's like a normal button where you sign up and there's just a sign up button, press that. It's like that button. Then the window titled GUI, geometry, and its background color is silver, and window.main. Now let's get into the function. Define pop. Message box that show info, pop up is the title, and hi is gonna be the text. So if I run the code over here, let's make that bigger. If I click this, see, it has a message box over here, hi. So you see that? That's what a pop-up looks like. So that's what a pop-up looks like. So thank everyone for listening about how to make a pop-up for the ones that don't know. But for the ones that know, then this is an easy question for you, right? So thank everyone. I hope you like it, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.